Hello everyone, Edwin Velez here at the 2026 AHR show, and I want to introduce you to the 2026 Cooper&Hunter lineup. Follow me. Let's start off with some familiar faces. We have Astoria, Olivia Midnight, and our Mia series. So some of the new improvements that we've made on these systems here, Astoria, Olivia come in at a 6,000 BTU, go all the way to 36,000 BTU. They are cross-compatible with single zone or multi-zone. Our Olivia Midnight starts off at 9,000 BTU, goes all the way to 24,000 BTU. Again, you could work with a single zone or it can be mix and match on a multi-zone. And then we have our standalone single zone series, our Mia. Mia starts off at a 6,115 volt, offers that in 9 and 12, and it also has 9 to 30 all the way to 24,000 BTU. Some of the improvements that we've made for the 2026 product lineup, they all now come included with Wi-Fi, and Mia even includes the line set, the drain line, and the communication cable right in the box. Now let's talk about our cassettes. We have our one-way cassette and we have our four-way cassette. Some of the improvements that we made on these models this year, we included the Wi-Fi thermostat, so you have that Wi-Fi capability. It is our 120N series, so keep in mind it is a wired wall thermostat, but you could turn it on and off from anywhere with your smartphone or a tablet. Now these units do come with a condensation pump built right in, so you have that 21-inch vertical pump. Panel is included on the one-way cassette. Panel is a la carte on the four-way cassette. Still fantastic units, very popular. This one slides right into the ceiling joist. This one starts off at a 9,000 BTU, goes all the way up to 48,000 BTU with two different measurements. From 9 through 18, you have 22 by 22. From 24 to 48, you have 33 by 33. Our one-way cassette has a real neat feature that we added to it. It has dip switches built in, so you could actually have 6, 9, and 12,000 BTU on one device. Just change the dip switch settings to what you need, and then you also have an 18,000 BTU, all on the same chassis. Now these units can be installed as a single zone 1-to-1 series, or you can mix and match it with any of the other options on a multi-zone compressor. The combinations are limitless when it comes to Cooper&Hunter. You think about it, you can do it. Moving past our cassettes, everyone has always associated Cooper&Hunter as the ductless solution, but we've been scaling up, trying to cast a wider net to really provide a solution for every application that technicians are coming across. So I'd like to introduce you to our ducted solutions. We have our Peak series, which we call the Furnace Killer. This unit is incredible. It is a true hyperheat system, negative 22 degrees. At 0 degrees outside, you're getting 100% heat output. As you could tell by the dimensions, this is meant to be a retrofit for a furnace. Go green, take your furnace out, put in the Peak unit. It has multi-voltage detection, so this will automatically adjust between either 115 or 230 volts. You go ahead and set that up with our outside condenser. At 0 degrees outside, you're staying nice and warm. Moving forward, we have our standard AHU system here. This unit will work as a single zone 1-to-1 application, just like the Peak system, but the difference is this one here could also be mixed and matched on a multi-zone system along with all the other heads that are available to you. Wall mounts, four-way cassettes, one-way cassettes, mini consoles, slim ducts, you could all mix and match that on a multi-zone setup. Now both of these units start off at an 18,000 BTU cabinet size, and they go all the way up to 60,000 BTU. Both of these units do come included with our 120N wall thermostat. This is a wired thermostat that goes directly into the systems, and that thermostat does have Wi-Fi capability. You can turn it on and off from anywhere with a cell phone or a tablet. Now, if you don't want to go ahead and use the Cooper&Hunter thermostat, both of these units do have 24-volt transformers. You could adjust your dip switch settings, and you could use any third-party thermostat that you'd like. Next in the lineup is our Slim Duct series. This is also another familiar unit. Some of the incredible improvements that we made on this guy here is this now starts off at a 6,000 BTU, goes all the way up to 12,000 BTU with dip switch settings. So you can adjust the size of this unit based on the needs for the installation. It goes from 18,000 all the way up to 60,000 BTU. You can mix and match between 6,000 all the way to 24,000 on a multi-zone setup, or you could do 1-to-1 applications as well. This unit also comes included with a 120N wall thermostat, so you do have that Wi-Fi capability, and it includes a wireless remote with it as well. And the new addition to the Cooper&Hunter family this season is the new Cooper&Hunter A coil. Starts off at 18,000, goes all the way up to 60,000 BTU, or for other references, cabinets A, B, C, and D. This unit can match up with the Cooper&Hunter inverter outdoor system, or you can match it up with any third-party 454B system. It is universal. It does come included with a dual fuel thermostat, our 120F system, and it has goldfin coating. So with the coils that we introduced this season, we do have an M coil design as well. Now this only comes in a C cabinet and it starts off at 48,000 to 60,000 BTU, but it has an M coil design, which provides more coil surface. Also being introduced this season in the Cooper&Hunter product lineup is our new top discharge split system. This unit comes in at 14.3 SEER, starts off at 18,000 BTU and goes all the way up to 60,000 BTU. Now let's introduce the actual systems that can be paired up with our top discharge system. I want to show you the new multi-position air handler. This unit here starts off at 18,000 BTU, goes all the way up to 60,000 BTU. And we also have a wall-mounted air handler with a front return on it. Now, all of these units do have the goldfin coating. They do come in with R32 Freon, and it has a 24-volt transformer built in, so that way you could use any third-party thermostat along with these systems here. Another fan favorite when it comes to Cooper&Hunter are our floor-mounted systems. So first, let's talk about the mini console. New to the mini console is we added an additional size this season. So it starts off at a 9,000 BTU, 12, and 16,000 BTU. They still come included with the Wi-Fi adapter, but you can also pair it with a 120N wall thermostat if you want to have something a little more stationary. Continuing from the mini console is its big brother. This is the universal floor ceiling. This system here starts off at 18,000 BTU and goes all the way up to 60,000 BTU. Now both of them can be mixed and matched on a multi-zone up to 24,000 BTU. The universal floor ceiling can be mounted on the floor just like this one is displayed here, or up on the ceiling. This is very great for light commercial applications, hospital, apartments, you name it, it's available. So this unit here does have a high CFM. It does come included with the 120N wall thermostat right out of the box. A great solution for the applications that you may be coming across. We can't talk multi-zones without actually showing you a multi-zone system. With Cooper&Hunter, we have two variations. We have non-hyper and we have hyper. Our non-hyper systems start off at 18,000 BTU, 3-zone system, goes all the way up to 60,000 BTU, 6-zone system. Now for our hyper heat units, they start off at 19,000 BTU, 3-zone system, and they go all the way up to 60,000 BTU, 6-zone system here. Continuing with the popular trend, why installers absolutely love our units, you have a direct connection for each one of your heads. You don't need any branch boxes or any hassle like that. You come right to the unit, you're going to have all 6 of your connections here. What we did include on top of that is a king valve. So you could actually vacuum all of your heads all at once, or if you need to isolate them for any reason whatsoever, you can do them individually. So if you come across a unit that needs to be serviced, one of the heads isn't working right, you need to come back, you can go ahead and isolate that head, disconnect the cables from the unit, leave the other 5 zones working, and the customer is going to be perfectly fine until that technician returns and go ahead and takes care of the issue with it. Now with this unit here, you can see all the internal components. All of our boards are easily accessible right on the unit itself. With the hyperheat unit, you are going to get negative 22 degrees for the low ambient temperature. At 0 degrees outside, remember you're going to get 100% heat output on it. And with our standard multi-zones, you're still going to get great heating output on that as well, because it works in negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit with their standard systems. So when it comes to multi-zones, Cooper&Hunter has the best solutions for you. So thanks for joining me, folks, again on this journey at the AHR Expo. We look forward to seeing you in the future with more Cooper&Hunter content. Thank you for stopping by.